What's up, everybody? Market up or down? I don't even know. I don't even know. Bitcoin hit. So we did buy that in the main account. Spoiler alert. All right. Down 0.1, it looks like. Just barely. Okay. Let's check out the brokerage. We didn't sell any, but we've got this guy here that was probably part of our day trade sneaky foo. So, Snyder, we need to see what our sell price is here. Likely that will sell. That is in profits. ST closed after the bell. So sell price is 21.48 times 1.01. Do the math for yourself. And I'll put the order in. I wonder what the mark is. Yeah, so the mark is, we won't get to cancel with extended hours. I got a little distracted there for a second, but I think it was 21.69. Let's just verify that. Yeah, so we'll throw this sucker in here and that's that. So the mark was way above, so that sucker should go eventually. We did sell one. I was just tinkering around, happened to have the computer up, but ST sold on Friday in the after hours. Oh, looks like that one just sold too. Phil, 21.69. Boom. What am I going to say next? The stock market does not have to go up to generate cash flow. You see every month for over a year, going on 2 years now, been pulling money out every month. We haven't had any no income months. And these aren't huge swings or anything like that, but they all add up. 229 on the month. And I'm going to have to move down this here because I keep forgetting about it, but we're close to our next goal. We'll just paste it down here. I think that way I can see it. But we get to 120, we get more money in investing, right? So that's really cool and interesting. Now we had a market down day, so we'll do the reverse snowball and we'll start buying up stocks. EBIX 728. We have no day trades though. Okay. So we need to see, is it under 30 RSI? Right. We're going to look at stocks that we own first. And it is. It's getting hammered. 339. And we got a bunch of cash. Well. But you can see just by, if this order fills, which it should, because that stock's just crazy volatile. You can see how much that'll change our average price though, right? So our average went from $7 a share, $7.28, down to $5. See, that puts us back in the game. So since we're out of day trades, we will not be able to put this sell order in. We are only able to buy. Oh, we have 2 shares there. nonetheless. Well, we have 8. Yeah, so we should buy 2 as well. We should buy another 2 because that is 1% of our account size, right? That's a new thing for this account. Typically, everything's just been one share, Johnny, but we'll go up to pay $3.39 for it, which is what the chart showed for the close. There, it turns out to be $6.78. Okay, that's our PDT warning. We got bought at 335, so what's that? 670. All right. VAC. Well, this one is not as big as VAC. VGR. I really work this Walmart computer, I tell you that. It's earning its rent around here. That's not under 30 RSI. Vacation probably is. It's going to the roof here, to the floor. 7602. Oh, it's not dropped that much. And don't let this downward momentum freeze you, because that's what human nature will tell you, is to be afraid. And you have to fight that instinct. Just because the market is going down and we're out of day trades, so some people will be wanting to not put orders in because they can't get out. You know, it's that whole thing of, I'm trapped. You get a little claustrophobic, you know what I mean? And there's no worry for that because we're only buying half-ass decent companies. They're not best of the best, all of them. Some of them are, but those opportunities don't come around very much. I hit the sell button, didn't I? Oh, it automatically swapped. Okay. 7602. Good till cancel with the extended hours. And we are just going to load the frickin' boats up. And this is our little warning for day trade. So basically it's telling me if I sell this, they're going to put me in timeout. But we're not going to sell it, so we ain't worried about nothing. All right. ConAgra and Noose. How much money we got left? Got any cash left? Yeah, we got a little bit. We got a little bit. We're not saving it. We don't have a mindset of scarcity and survival. Not under the 30 RSI. We have a mindset of abundance. If they 30.11, but that is above 30 RSI. So I'm not buying it. But with the little D there, it's awful tempting, but it's okay. We have plenty of other opportunities. MTB and TKR are the final 2. And we've had MTB for a long time. It would be nice. It's not a bad investment, but it'd be nice to get rid of it because this is a trading account. And beautiful swing trade. You've been following the main account videos. And TKR, nothing. All right, so we have $166 left, and it is burning a hole in my pocket. So let's see what's out there. It doesn't mean we're going to buy anything. But we got to know what's out there. And we follow the process. As boring as it is, day in and day out, it gets me hyped for some reason. I love the markets. Dividends. Surely that's am I missing something? I don't think so. Good enough. All right, so the first things first, look for stocks that are in our universe. There are none, even though we did just sell this one. And it came right back down. In price over there, it looks like we can afford a bunch of them. So the only reason I go back to the same ones is because I know that there was a reason that we bought it. So all the financials had to line up pretty good. And this one does. ST3107. Oh shit, what did I do? You wouldn't nobody never believe I work on a computer all day. Another hang up here. 3107 was the print. And some of you will be freaking out because you're like, hey, we bought it up here for 3088. The market does not care what you paid for it. Okay? It just moves in flow. So do not worry yourself with that. It fits the trading plan. So we just execute it. And, they always say time in the market is better than trying to time the market. So just think of it this way. Even if we're overly aggressive in certain spots, 3107, we are getting our capital fully invested in the market, right? $135 left. We're just going to go to the top and follow it down. Dividends over 1, but it's still pretty light. Relatively good PEs here, low debt. Looks like they're having a little slowdown this year, which explains the dump off here. But good enough. 32.52. Don't overthink it. Just get to going. And I even caught myself doing the same thing. My goal is to start a foundation and for charity and stuff. And I was trying to figure out the right way and all the legalities and all this other stuff. When in all seriousness, I just had to put a plan in action and get it going. So got a poster board tracking my progress. I have to freaking put the money in there every time we do a trade. We had to have an actionable. What do we got? 32.52? Is that what we put? Yep. Because it's the first step is the hardest step. You can think in your mind, yeah, I want to do this. Good till cancel with extended. Don't forget that. We'll check all these orders tomorrow. Got $100 left, and now it's actionable, it's measurable, and even if it doesn't go up as fast as what I would like, I'm moving, right? We just got to get going here. So this is a utility, it looks like, and the PEs are just way too high for me. 38-ish into 2. It's at 19, which is too high. I might buy like a Duke Energy at that price point, but not one of these. This one's much more reasonable. This is not a cheap valuation, though. This is kind of more like fairly valued, in my opinion. Nice dividend, though. Reasonable debt. And we're going to take this one. 68.94 PNW. I knew there was no shot I was going to be able to remember that. I'm like the excited Southerner when it comes to stocks, man. Have you ever seen that? We're going to pay $3 for it. Yeah, right, Joe. 68.94. All right. PNW. And hopefully, after watching for a little while, you can put together some actionable steps to start changing your financial future. And all of the things that you do to save money are all valuable. But increasing your income is the one thing people don't get. 68.94 confirmed, which is awesome because that means we can sell this tomorrow and it will not count as a day trade. You follow? $34 left. Is there anything left? This is the one we just sold, right? I don't necessarily want to buy that, but we're gonna end up buying it for higher than what we sold it for. I don't do that. We just did that. We'll check this one. Low debt, decent dividend. This one looks fine. UNM. We don't have enough. Well, this is the only one. We didn't sell this till the after hours. That's the difference. I say we wait. We'll have 34 beg-ins for tomorrow, and our portfolio is really starting to grow. We don't have that good of a month book, but we're still almost 3 weeks in. We got a holiday though, which always messes up the markets. And quarter over quarter, if we want to beat it, our goal is 35.44. We got a ways to go, right? So we'll stay after it and do the best we can do, but we can only take what the market gives us, right? But you got to take it, right? You can't just sit and wait. You got to go for it. And we're doing it all in. I hope this was helpful to you. Enjoy your evening. Stay tuned next for the main account if you're interested. If not, have an awesome evening. We'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.